Welcome back to Crypto Kickstart, your go-to channel for all things crypto. Today, we're diving into a comprehensive guide on how to sign up for MEXC, one of the leading cryptocurrency trading platforms. And remember, if you decide to sign up, use the referral code 12K4M5 to unlock some fantastic bonuses. Let's get started. Before we jump into the sign-up process, let's talk about what you need. Make sure you have a valid email address, a phone number, and a photo ID ready for verification. Using a referral code like 12K4M5 can get you some great bonuses, so keep that handy as well. All right, let's break down the sign-up process step by step. Step 1 is creating an account. Head over to the MEXC website or download the MEXC app. Click on Sign Up and enter your email or mobile number. Create a strong password. Don't forget to enter the referral code 12K4M5 to qualify for the bonuses. After entering your details, click Register. You'll receive a verification code via email or SMS. Enter this code to verify your account. Next, you'll need to complete the verification process. This involves entering a security code sent to your email or phone and solving a quick CAPTCHA puzzle. Once completed, you'll be greeted with a welcome message and guided to make your first crypto deposit or buy crypto directly with cash. After your account is verified, it's important to set up security measures. Enable two-factor authentication or 2FA by going to Account and Security and clicking Enable next to Google Two-Factor. Scan the QR code with your Google Authenticator app and enter the 6-digit code it generates. This adds an extra layer of security to your account. Now, let's fund your account. To deposit funds, click on it. Select the cryptocurrency you want to deposit and copy your unique wallet address. Transfer the funds from your personal wallet to this address. Make sure you double-check the address before sending any funds. Let's take a quick tour of the MEXC platform. On the homepage, you can access different trading options like spot trading and futures trading. MEXC also offers additional features like copy trading, where you can follow the strategies of successful traders, and grid trading. The user interface is intuitive and easy to navigate, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced traders. Here are some tips for new users. Always enable 2FA for enhanced security. Use the referral code 12K4M5 during sign-up to unlock the best bonuses. Take advantage of MEXC's educational resources, like the MEXC Academy, to improve your trading skills. Start with small trades to get comfortable with the platform before diving into larger transactions. To sum up, signing up for MEXC is a straightforward process that offers numerous benefits, especially when you use the referral code 12K4M5. From creating your account to securing it and funding it, MEXC provides a seamless experience for all users. Thanks for watching Crypto Kickstart. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more crypto tips and tutorials. Head over to MEXC, use the referral code 12K4M5, and start your crypto journey today. Until next time, happy trading. Keep your crypto game strong and your wallets even stronger. See you soon.